How to change music on Instagram post after posting. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, simply select the post you want to remove music from or change. Click on the three dots at the top right. In here, click on Archive. After you click on Archive in here, the post will be archived. Now click on the three lines at the top right. In here, click on Archive. Now go to the post that you archived. Then click on the three dots in here. Press on Show on Profile. Press on Show on Profile again. After you do this, music will be removed. When you see in your profile, from here you can change the music as you want. This is how to change music on Instagram post after posting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.